A month after President William Ruto signed the Conflict of Interest Bill, Busia Senator Omtatah has revealed that Ruto watered down the bill in his favor.
You heard the other time the president saying that the parliament they bribed the people and whatever, yes. But he's the chief architect of that. He referred to the Conflict of Interest Bill. That bill passed through in both houses, it went to him. He returned it with a memorandum. One of the things he wanted was to remove the requirement that people must declare the source of their donations, and that was some of their donations. He wanted that out. And it's at that point that he began buying MPs to pass that rejection of his.
Omtatah has criticized Kenyans for receiving donations or handouts from government.
People coming the whole way from Kisii or from Busia to State House, then they are paid, they're given 10,000 or something, and are happy. That's a disaster. Not for the giver, for the receiver. And we must demand to know where this kind of money come from.
The presidential hopeful has also condemned Cherargei's bill that is up for the second reading in the Senate that seeks to extend presidential term limit from 5 to 7 years.
We did what we could do with the bill. At the committee, I happened to be in the JLAC. We massacred it. We told that fellow to withdraw. I think he has got reasons why he's not withdrawing it. So it will be coming some time for second reading, when we hope to nail the final nail in the coffin of that bill.
He has also weighed in on the bill that seeks to strengthen Senate powers by requiring all laws to pass through both houses. But the outspoken lawyer has some reservations on some sections of this law, which he says, if passed, they will undermine the powers or the role of Senate.
Not a bad bill, but there's some consensus building in the Senate that let it not be the sugar coating on poison. So we may have to say to rest that bill also, because it's beginning to turn out that it may be the sugar coating that will be given, so that there's a debate from the National Assembly saying we will support your bill, support ours. And theirs is pure poison. They want to entrench CDF in the Constitution. They want legislators to perform two roles, to execute and to oversight, basically distorting the basic structure of our Constitution. They even put what they're calling an oversight fund. And in the Senate, I'm happy to say that we agreed we don't want money. Oversight is about capacity. Give us officers in the counties, give us economists, give us accountants, give us auditors, who can then inform us. Don't give us money to go and hire our relatives to come and do what they don't know.
Omtatah was speaking during the 5th Annual Civic Space Protection Summit in Nakuru, where he championed human rights groups to push for the strengthening of chapters 7 and 12 of the Constitution.
Today, the government is fighting to digitalize everything because they are saying it's eliminating this, eliminating that, but they don't want to digitalize the electoral process. Why do we want to remain in the Stone Age when it comes to choosing our leaders, and be in the 21st century when it comes to everything else? So we must come down as a people who are gathered here today and put some serious work into chapter 7.